Okay, so I've got them rounded off best I can. I just got a very narrow black stripe on the top. Should be good enough. And I got to take the top off. I did tape it off. Or I got to take the tape off, rather. And we are getting down to the nitty-gritty now. I should just leave the tape on there to polish these, but I usually just use a tool for this. I just wanted to see if I was going to have to do much repairing where that file might have cut in. It's a little bit rough right there. I don't want to feel anything when my fingers run up it, and I do, but I'm going to polish it first and see what happens. I might have to go back and do a little touch-up on the edges, ends, little file. Yay, okay, tape's off, now I can polish. Get the tape off my fingers. Okay, now that file was kind of a pain in the butt to work with, so what I ended up doing is taking a piece of wood like this, a trick I learned, come on, and stick sandpaper to it, and you can go like that and round it, and it's a lot faster than that file I was using. So I need my polishing wheel, and find it. That one and that one. And what those does is I can put them over the fret and run the polisher, and it protects the fretboard here. So my polish stuff, I've been using the white one usually, and get that out of the way. And I'm just going to move everything this way. So I'll just get some of that on there like that. And it will turn it black to the polish wheel. Add a little more polish to the wheel. Sometimes I gotta do it about 2 or 3 times to get it polished up real nice. Let's see what we got so far. And you can see it shines it up pretty good. Only I forgot which one of these I was working on now, where I stopped. So I'll just go back over here. Okay. I will have to go back over some areas on the fretboard where I might have messed up with the finish, but now I want to make sure. See, I feel any rough spots, like there's a rough spot that I'm going to have to take a file to all the way up through there, but mostly that one, because when you're playing you don't want rough spots hitting your fingers and making them bleed or anything. So yeah, there we go. So I gotta do that with all of those. Make sure I see a flat spot there I need to get rid of. Now that it's polished, I'll have to do everything a couple of times and then it'll be done for that. Then I can put everything on, get it on the guitar, get everything lined up and bolted on. Getting close to being done here. Now I've got the neck all fretted, everything's cleaned up. Have put several coats of the gun stock oil on it, and it's ready to be. I'm going to polish it up a little bit. I've already used this polishing compound here, and that gave it a little buff. Now I'm going to take this here and polish it. What I use is, with that one, I used this pad with this one, and now I'll use this pad with this one here, and I'll get it polished up a little bit, and then I'll have to change the hardware out, the tuners over to here, and change the nut, and I hope the nut fits right, because that's custom made. I made that one, so hopefully it fits in this one as well. If not, I'll just have to make a new nut. So I'm going to polish it up real quick. I'll just do a real quick demo. See, I got this damped a little bit with some water, and I don't like doing it with cameras because it throws this stuff, slings it around everywhere, but I'm going to do it a pass or two real quick. I don't want to sit in one place too long and burn through. There. Okay, now I'll let it dry and wipe it off with a rag. And I might do it one more time, maybe with both, but that's pretty much that. I'm not going to bore with the whole process of that.